What do you want for Christmas, Alexander?
I want to make a key.
Okay, what else?
And a train.
A train. What else?
And a truck.
A train and a truck?
Uh-huh.
What else?
And a car.
And a car. Anything else?
A wedding.
Whoa. Tell me about that.
Right down here because he got with his hair all over with a car.
Oh, wow. What?
And what he got bus that is run and Buzz can fly in the air.
Buzz can fly in the air.
What about Woody?
Oh, Bullseye.
They don't fly.
No. What does he do? Doesn't he ride a horse?
Okay.
Woody, the bullseye, the way, the big bullseye. I gotta go. Bullseye. Can't remember the
Ow.
bullseye can't hear wait boy because boy said stop, stop, and he didn't.
How fast can Bullseye run?
Way faster.
I know that one.
Cool. Who else is in Toy Story?
How about the claw?
The piggy. Piggy. Miss Potato Head. Potato Head.
Oh, tell us about him.
Potato Head. That. He's a potato. He's a potato. Because he just turned on way to a boy and he said,
Really?
Jenny turned him. Not Jenny.
What about the Rugrats?
That's
You want to tell us
Cameron.
about the movie you just watched?
What?
The movie you just watched when they were in Paris?
Paris, France, the evil witch.
Tell us about Tommy, the bald one.
Tommy. Merry Christmas.
Turn around
Wait,
and
turn
say
around
it.
and say that.
He can
Tell it again.
Christmas.
Good job.